Hello guys, this is a FreeMotion Incline trainer I11.9. I'm going to replace the running belt. I'll show you how. Pull up this running belt. There's a hole in here. Four bolts or screws on the side hex, which is 13mm. Yes. We remove that in here and in here and on the other side. There. After removing it, there on the other side. After removing it, you can vacuum this, and you need to remove this screw in here. There's a screw in here that serves as the tensioner. This one is tensioner. This is screwed over there. You need to remove that screw and then loosen this one in here. There's a hole in here where you can access. This is 732 Allen keys. Look at this. This is the tensioner. Tensioner. If you tighten that over there, you tighten the screw in here, there will be a tension. It will push this belt. Yeah. So the belt will be. This is the drive belt. It drives the running belt. This walking belt or running belt. This is the drive motor, and this is the drive belt. This is the roller. This is the drive roller. This one. In order to replace the belt, you need to remove this eight Allen keys again. Oh, not 8. 4 in the back, and then 2 at the front. There, 2 at the front. There, 2 at the front. After removing that, you need to remove this running board sideways here. I will show you later after I remove it. But in order to replace this, you need to remove the rollers. It's hard for me because I don't have a videographer. But in order to remove this running belt, you need to remove this drive belt first. After removing the tension in here, we can take this out from here. Just pull it out. And here on the other side, there's a cover in here that I removed here. This one, cover in here, and on the left and on the right. Here and in here. And then we can take this out. Take this out because it is loose already. I need to loosen the bolt in the front. These 2 bolts, this tensions the running belt here. You need to remove that from the front in order to loosen the running belt. So we need to take out this roller after we take out this running board. I'll show you later. So in order to slide out this running board, I need to remove the back roller first. remove this belt, drive belt, and then take out the roller. It is just sitting in here and in here. You just take it out sideways. Remove this first, the belt. Rest is loosened already, and then take out the roller, because I cannot take this out because of that post. Yeah. So I can take this out now and replace this, and remove the front roller. We need to vacuum. There's a lot of dirt over here. Oh, the belt. I don't know if the belt is, if the running board is still good after cleaning it. Let's see. Okay. So this is the front roller. I already removed the front roller and clean it. Then I vacuum all of this. I'll show you the board. This is the belt, running belt. I need to replace. That one is the replacement belt. There. So what's this board? This dirt came from the wax and the sweat and the dust. It accumulates over time. That's why it breaks the belt. It has a resistance when the belt is rubbing in here. But if you flip it, it will go underneath, so it won't affect the belt. So this is the other side now that I clean. I vacuum it already. Okay. So I will flip this board. This is the wax. This white thing are the wax. Originally attached to this board. You can use a silicone in a spray. Okay. So then I will be putting the belt now. I'll show you later. Okay. I already inserted this front roller with the belt and also the board. It's so hard to insert the board alone. But if you have another guy, another hand, it's very easy. It's hard to insert the board alone. That's because this is my first time to do this. This incline trainer has never been out of order for a long time, for more than 2 years. These treadmills in here, I replaced a lot of belts. With this is my first time for this FreeMotion Incline trainer. This is good treadmill. So the one thing that is left here is just need to insert this here at the back. You'll see if it is easy. Okay. Okay, I'm done tightening the walking belt. Two in the front. Two in the front. Yeah, on the other side. Then 4 in here. And here, I already inserted this back roller. This is also the drive roller. This is the drive motor. This is the drive belt. I already inserted it. Align, and just remember the alignment. 2 screws, 2 threads in here. 2 threads in here. and also there. 2 and 2. So they're aligned. And here I already inserted this screw over there, while this is still loosened. So there's no perfect adjustment in here. Just make sure there's a little free play in here, maybe 1 centimeter, and you push it, and then if it is tightened enough, like this is you tighten here, you tighten there, this screw. Then when it is 1 centimeter, you can push it just 1 centimeter. That's enough. Yeah, it's tight enough. And then you lock it here on the other side. There. Okay. And then I will just adjust the belt tension. The belt tension adjustment is in front, both sides. This is the belt tension adjustment. This, you tighten this, and you tighten this one. Yeah. The roller will be, you are pulling the roller this way, and then the belt is tighter. And then you test it by running the belt, by running the motor, by running the treadmill. And then if it goes sideways, you adjust left and right, quarter by quarter, so you can align it at the center. It should be at the center like this. Yeah. When you set the speed to 10 or more, it should be at the center, so you know that it is aligned. Just adjust it here, left or in the right. Left or here in the right. That's how to align the belt. Okay. This is the FreeMotion that I fixed last time. I forgot to show you, where I replaced the walking belt. This is one of the best treadmill that I ever fixed. It doesn't break too much. I like this light fitness in here. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Stop to start. I will just show you how. Okay, it's working now. See that? It's just a warm up. If you skip the warm up, you can choose a lot of features. Okay. You can choose a map or the street. Yeah. This works nice. It doesn't break many times. For more than 2 years, this is the first time that I fixed. Just replacing the belt. It's good now. This is FreeMotion Incline Trainer I11.9. Thank you.